friends, I'm Kunu Naik. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ken Classes. Friends, in this video we'll discuss about the mixed method research design. These are the syllabus of UGC NET paper 2 research in education. That's the last bit of research in education. So in this video we'll discuss about the meaning of mixed method research design. When do you conduct mixed method study? Then characteristics of mixed method, then types of mixed method research. I hope this video will be helpful for your NET preparation. So let's start uh, from the meaning. Generally mixed method research design is, is the combination of quantitative and qualitative data. So it is the combination of both quantitative method and qualitative method. So in detail, a mixed method research design is a procedure for collecting, analyzing and mixing both quantitative and qualitative methods in a single study or series of studies to understand a research problem. Okay, it shows that mixed method research design is the mixing both quantitative and qualitative methods. Then the basic assumption is that the uses of both quantitative and qualitative methods in combination provide a better understanding of the research problem. If we use the both quantitative, both the strength, both the merits of quantitative and qualitative methods, then it will be definitely better understanding of the research problem. Uh, Next, uh, mixed method research design consists of merging, integrating, linking, embedding the two strands in, or we may say in short, the data are mixed in a mixed method study. Okay, it is the merging or mixing of both quantitative and qualitative methods. The purpose why we are mixing, because the purpose is to build or use the strength that exists between the quantitative and qualitative research methods. Okay, hope you may clear. When do you conduct mixed method study? There are three reasons for conducting mixed method study. You conduct the mixed method study when you have both quantitative and qualitative data, and both types of data together provide a better understanding of your research problem. So whenever you have both quantitative and qualitative data, then we are using mixed method study. And then when one combines qualitative and quantitative and qualitative data, we have a very powerful mix. For example, by assessing both outcomes of the study, that is quantitative outcomes of the study, means it is in the terms of numerical way. So it is quantitative in nature, so as well as the process, and the process is qualitative. So both outcomes of the study as well as the process, we can develop a complex picture of social phenomena. Okay, then you also conduct the mixed method research study when one type of research is not enough to address the research. When qualitative research is not enough to address the research, um, there is the requirement of quantitative research. Or in when the quantitative research is not enough to address some research problem, there may be required for qualitative research. In that time, we use mixed method research design. Okay, then now comes to characteristic of mixed method research. What are the main characteristics of mixed method research design? The first one is the analysis of both qualitative and quantitative data. As you know, it is the one of the main characteristics of mixed method, that it is analyze by using both type of data. Then the collection of both open and close-ended data. Open is qualitative, open-ended data is qualitative, and close-ended is quantitative uh, in response to research question. So then third characteristic is persuasive and rigorous procedure for the qualitative and quantitative methods. It have both persuasive and rigorous procedure for the qualitative and quantitative methods. Then the integration of these two data sources by merging, connecting, and embedding. We are integrating both quantitative and qualitative data by merging, connecting, and embedding. Then the use of specific mixed method design that involves a concurrent and sequential integration. We are integrating both quantitative and qualitative data in two ways. One is concurrent and other one is sequential. So what is concurrent integration and what is sequential integration? Concurrent integration means both quantitative and qualitative data will collected simultaneously, while in sequential integration one data will collected after one. For example, the researcher collected the quantitative data first, then go to the field to collect qualitative data. So last one is this, it is an approach to research that has philosophical foundation. This is a research that has a philosophical foundation. Of mixed method research design. The friends, in this video we'll discuss only the three meaning of three types of mixed method research design. In next video we'll discuss in detail about these three mixed method research design. Okay, so in our NET syllabus, education syllabus, there are three main types of mixed method research. That is, one is triangulation, second one is explanatory mixed method design, and third one is exploratory. So what is triangulation mixed method research design? So in triangulation mixed method research design, both quantitative data and qualitative data will collected simultaneously, and data will be analyzed. In triangulation, the researcher will collect both quantitative and qualitative data simultaneously. Then comes to explanatory mixed method design. In explanatory mixed method design, the researcher will collect the quantitative data first. This quantitative data first, and after collecting and analyzing the quantitative data, the researcher will collect the qualitative data and analyze it. Then in exploratory mixed method design, the researcher, it is the opposite form of explanatory. In exploratory, the researcher will collect the qualitative data first and analyze it, then quantitative data and analyze it. This is all about my first part presentation of the mixed method research design. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे है, इफ़ इट इज़ बेनिफिटेड और इट इज़ गुड फॉर यू, तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना एंड शेयर भी करना, बिकॉज शेयरिंग इज़ केयरिंग. थैंक यू.